Guys, if you are going to buy, you need to do it in the next 60 days, seriously, because the time we get into April, prices are going to jump and you're not going to be able to really get a deal or get concessions on anything until November, December of next year. Loan rates have remained flat. They went a little bit sideways this week. VA sitting at 6.49, conventional sitting at 7.189, FHA sitting at 6.125. That's the one you want to watch, the FHA one, 6.125, Jumbo's at 7.25, and USD is sitting at 6.625. So if you're going to be buying, go FHA if you can. And by the way, if you guys are looking to be buying, you're going to need your credit score fixed. So I'm going to give this to you again, Lexington Law, lexingtonlaw.com. It's going to run you about $180 to sign up, and then it's like $120 a month. But they will get you a 720 score within 6 months guaranteed, or you don't pay until they do. So for you guys to qualify for FHA, you're going to need at least a 680 score. For those of you that are looking to be buying a house, you need to make sure that that credit gets up there and it remains up there. So if you guys don't have a Credit Karma account that's tracking this for you, get one. You always need to know where your credit is, and you need to be tracking utilization. So please be aware of that. All right, GDP currently sitting at 2.5. End of 2024, we're anticipating 2.2. So there is some slowdown economically, but we probably won't feel it. Simply because of what they're doing with rates. Interest rates, the first cut on short-term rates will come in May. So be aware of that. There's going to be 3 cuts this year. The first one happening in May. And then the next 2 are going to be happening. Let me give you those dates. Well, let me just read this. This is housing. Home prices should continue climbing in 2024 thanks to low inventory and surging demand. Though the pace of gains will likely shorten a bit, expect the Case-Shiller National Home Index to rise 4.8% by the end of the year. Mortgage rates have fallen by at least a full percentage point since October, when the average 30-year mortgage peaked at 7.79. Demand has recovered when the average 30-year demand has recovered as a result, a sign of just how eager homebuyers are to take advantage of lower rates. Further declines are in the offering, but rates won't fall below 6% in 2024. Federal Reserve held interest rates steady at its January meeting, a signal that cuts were on the table but not imminent. The Fed plays an important or indirect role in the housing market, with interest rates determining the direction of mortgage rates. Inventory won't return to healthy levels until mortgage rates fall significantly, encouraging more folks to put their home on the market and look for new ones. Prospective buyers should expect stiff competition for attractive listings. So again, guys, if you are going to buy, you need to do it in the next 60 days, seriously, because the time we get into April, prices are going to jump and you're not going to be able to really get a deal or get concessions on anything until November, December of next year. Of this year. So if that's a plan for you, please make sure you come and see Michelle so we can get you guys headed in the right direction. All right.